Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install a Woodland media kit into a Napoleon TLV fireplace. The Woodland media kit is placed on the bottom of the firebox, after the log set has been installed. It is suggested to use this kit to help produce a realistic look, and fill the firebox, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the fireplace. The kit consists of glowing embers, glass, splinters, charcoal, vermiculite, and rocks. Each of these have a purpose within the firebox, to help create the desired effect. Before installing the Woodland media kit around a log set, ensure each log is installed correctly by using the installation leaflet. Logs should never be sitting on top of the Woodland kit, as the uneven surface can make logs impinge on the flame, and affect fireplace performance. Begin by thinly separating the glowing embers and placing them on the burner, around the large clusters of ports. Keeping embers off of the large clusters, helps to create a more yellow flame. Ensure not to cover the burner completely, as this will affect the desired flame appearance. Next, clean the glass media with warm soapy water, dry it, and place a single thin layer around the logs, near the burner and on top of the mesh. This placement allows the lights underneath the mesh to shine through the glass, creating a glowing effect. Next, place the splinters around the glass, and along the outer edges of the media tray. This breaks up the glow of the glass, creating a realistic ember bed effect. Place charcoal around the logs, in between, and on top of the splinters and glass. This offsets the flat appearance of the splinters, creating an authentic texture. Next, add the vermiculite on top and in between the other media, throughout the Woodland kit. This is added to highlight, and add contrast to the ember bed. Lastly, strategically add the rocks into the open areas around the log set, to fill out the ember bed. The rocks are used to create a robust appeal, and add to the authenticity of the Woodland media kit. Here you can see the difference before and after the Woodland media kit is installed. Once the media kit is fully installed, reinstall the door and turn on the fireplace. Allow it to run for 15 minutes, and assess the flame. Ensure none of the logs or materials in the Woodland kit are impinging on the flame, or blocking air inlets. If any media needs to be adjusted, shut the fireplace off, remove the door, and exercise caution as the media may be hot to the touch. Turn on the ember bed lights to assess the placement of the glass. Ensure the splinters, charcoal, vermiculite, and rocks are placed to break up the glow effect created by the lights. Use all the materials in the Woodland media kit to create hot and cold spots throughout the entire firebox. When creating hot and cold spots, take a photo of the fireplace during operation, to identify areas that require adjustment. Work with your customer to ensure the fireplace is set up the way they desire. Always ensure the fireplace operates as intended, prior to leaving it with the customer. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.